In this episode, we're talking about pizza oven build. Here's the pizza oven, and here's the intro. My wife asked me if I would make her a pizza oven. Here's the pizza oven, and here is exactly how we made it. Okay, so it's about 6:30. We're just about to get going for the day. We've got our base all made up. I did that yesterday. Got my coffee, very important. We've got the bricks that John made, and here comes John. He's going to get going on doing the actual brickwork again today, and that means we're actually going to start building the oven itself, which is really exciting, and this is how it happens. Alright, so it's now lunchtime and we've had a pretty productive morning. John's got a fair bit done on the bricks and the entrance, as you can see, and I've made up the steel frame to support the bricks. Now, here's the thing. Out here in the province, on a remote tropical island in the Philippines, we can't get fire bricks, we can't get heat-resistant mortar or cement, so we're just using normal cement, which means we're a little bit concerned about repeated heat cycles and what it's going to do to the end product. So what we've decided to do is to make up a frame, which is what I've done out of this steel, out of 8mm steel, just as a support for longevity. So after repeated heat cycles, if there is any tendency for the cement to crumble or crack, hopefully that will help hold it together. We know that the arch is going to be self-supporting. We know there's a lot of strength in an arch and in the dome, especially with the keystone in the top there. It will self-support, but that's fine initially. We're just looking at like 3-6 months down the track. Now, this might turn out to be our first iteration, version 1.0, and we might do another version based on what we've learnt from this version down the track, depending on how it survives and how it goes long term. But for now, we know it's going to work. We've got all the maths right. It's 64% to the chimney entrance and then another 36% to the top of the dome, so that the airflow convects correctly through the oven, and hopefully that'll work. I'm sure it will. The maths is right, the measurements are right. We were just a bit worried about how it was going to go in terms of repeated heat cycles. So there's our steel frame. We'll keep going, and provided that thunderstorm holds off, we should get a whole lot more done this afternoon. So there you have it. 2 litres of paint, 3 bags of cement, and 4 days later, we have a pizza oven. My wife's really happy with it. I'm about to fire it up. We're going to make a pizza for tonight's dinner. And that is this episode all wrapped up. If you have enjoyed this episode, please click on the like button, and hitting subscribe will help you find future videos that I post, and it'll help me out too. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.